Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will demonstrate how to configure Brevo SMTP. This setup is vital for anyone needing to send emails reliably from their websites or applications using Brevo's dedicated servers. Let's go through the necessary steps to get your SMTP configuration fully operational. To start, log into your Brevo dashboard to access the required tools. Once you are on the main screen, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the SMTP and API option. This section is where you manage your keys and connection settings. Next, look at the tabs across the top of the page and click on the one labeled SMTP. This is where you generate the SMTP key required for your configuration. Click the button to generate a new SMTP key. You will be prompted to provide a name for this key. It is best to use something descriptive, such as Website SMTP, so you can easily identify its purpose later. After you name it, Brevo will display your unique SMTP key. This key functions as your password during the setup process, so be sure to copy it and store it in a secure location. If it is lost, you will need to generate a new one to replace it. With your key ready, you can now configure your connection using specific credentials. These details ensure a successful link to the Brevo server. For the SMTP server, enter smtp-relay.brevo.com. This is the address through which your emails are routed. Next, choose a port. Use 587 for a TLS connection or 465 if you require SSL. Both options provide security, so choose the one that matches your specific requirements. For your username, use the email address linked to your Brevo account. Finally, in the password field of your SMTP settings, paste the SMTP key you generated earlier. This key validates and secures your connection. By following these instructions, you ensure your email delivery is efficient and protected. Keeping these details organized will help with any future maintenance or troubleshooting. We hope this tutorial clarifies the Brevo SMTP setup. For further assistance or more in-depth information, please refer to Brevo's official support resources.